Good morning. This is All India Radio, Kohima. The morning news are read by Jonas Yandan. The total number of confirmed novel coronavirus cases in India has risen to 360 as of 6:30 p.m. yesterday. Cases include 41 foreign nationals. Out of the total positive cases, 23 people have been discharged after being cured and 7 patients have died. So far, over 15.17 lakh passengers have been screened at various airports in the country. Meanwhile, Nagaland and other parts of the northeast region have so far not detected any single positive case. In Nagaland, more than 30,000 people have been screened at various points, including airport, railway and road. Among those screened, 148 persons having travel record to affected countries and states are under surveillance. Meanwhile, in the interest of public health and safety, and with a view to contain and prevent the spread of novel coronavirus in Nagaland, the state government promulgated closure of all shops and business establishments as well as government departments throughout the state from last midnight till further orders. An order issued by Chief Secretary Temchin Toy said those engaged in emergency services, shops dealing with food grains and essential daily use commodities are exempted from the closure. All commercial passenger vehicles, both public and private transport, has also been banned, while vehicles carrying interstate transit passengers will stop plying from midnight tonight. The Chief Secretary also informed that movement of people will be restricted unless those coming out to purchase essential commodities. Indian Railways has suspended all passenger train operations from last midnight till 31st of this month. Railways Minister Piyush Goyal, announcing the decision yesterday, said it is being done to contain the COVID-19 outbreak. Trains which began their journey prior to 4 a.m. yesterday will be allowed to continue their journey. Goods train will continue to operate in order to ensure essential supplies across the country. The Railways Ministry has also offered full refund to all passengers affected by train cancellations up to 21st of this month. Union government has asked heads of department to draw up a roster of staff who are required to render essential services within each department. Department of Personnel and Training said in a memorandum that only they may be asked to attend office from today till 31st of this month. It said that office should function with skeletal staff. Officials who are working from home should be available on telephone and electronic means of communication at all times. These instructions shall not apply to the officers and employees engaged in essential and emergency services and those directly engaged in taking measures to control the spread of COVID-19. President Ramnath Kovind has wholeheartedly commended fellow citizens for spiritedly responding to the Prime Minister's call and making Janda curfew a success. In a tweet, Kovind said that this shows our resolve to contain COVID-19 spread and emerge from the crisis as a stronger nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that a countryman has thanked each person unitedly who led the fight against the novel coronavirus. Modi has expressed his gratitude to the countrymen for this. In a tweet, Modi said, "It is the sound of gratitude, but also the beginning of victory in a long battle." Modi gave a call to the people to come with this resolve, with this restraint, and tie themselves in social distancing for a long battle. Nagaland Chief Minister Nipirio has expressed gratefulness to the people for heeding the call of Prime Minister to observe Janda curfew and making it a success in the state. In a tweet yesterday, Rio said, "With the whole world facing the COVID-19 pandemic, we need to be responsive and obedient." He expressed hope that people will continue to cooperate so that we overcome it. Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal has appealed to the people of the state to stay indoors for the next 2 weeks to prevent the spread of the coronavirus. Stating that there is no positive case so far in Assam, he urged people to be aware and follow all the instructions given by the Health Department. Appealing all to observe Janta curfew till 8 a.m. today, Sonowal also requested people not to come out of homes in the next 2 weeks unless there is any urgent work. He said coronavirus is a threat to human civilization and all should understand its severity. With that, we end the morning news. Have a nice day.